Today, I'll walk you through how to add a Spotify playlist to Notion, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to seamlessly integrate your favorite music into your Notion workspace so you can enhance your productivity and creativity. Let's get started. First, open your Notion page. This is where you'll be adding your Spotify playlist. If you're not familiar with Notion, think of it as a digital notebook where you can organize your thoughts, tasks, and projects in one place. It's a powerful tool for anyone looking to boost their organization. Once you're on your Notion page, look for the Add a Page button. This is typically located in the sidebar. Clicking this button will create a new page where you can customize your content. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. The layout may vary depending on your version. Now that you have your new page, it's time to add a title. Click on the title area and type in something descriptive, like My Favorite Spotify Playlist. This helps you easily identify the page later, just like labeling a folder on your desk makes it easier to find important documents. Next, we'll embed the Spotify playlist. Type in Embed on the new page. A pop-up box will appear, prompting you to paste the link of the Spotify playlist you want to add. To get the link, simply go to Spotify, find your playlist, and click on the three dots next to it. Select Share and then Copy Playlist Link. Now, return to Notion and paste that link into the pop-up box. This step is crucial as it connects your Spotify content directly into your Notion workspace. Think of it as opening a window to your favorite tunes. Once you've pasted the link, hit Enter and voila! Your Spotify playlist should now be embedded in your Notion page. You can resize the embedded area if needed, just like adjusting a picture frame to fit perfectly on your wall. And there you have it. You've successfully added a Spotify playlist to Notion. This integration not only makes your workspace more enjoyable, but also helps you stay focused while working on your projects. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.